Can I check how many minutes I've listened to a certain genre on Spotify?
Hey there, music lovers! Welcome to this video where we'll be exploring whether you can check how many minutes you've listened to a certain genre on Spotify. If you're curious about how much time you've spent jamming to your favorite genre, stick around because we've got the answers you're looking for.
Checking your listening statistics.
To check your listening statistics on Spotify, including the number of minutes you've spent listening to a particular genre, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. 2. Tap on the Home icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the home screen of the Spotify app. 3. On the home screen, scroll down until you find the Made for You section. This section contains personalized playlists and recommendations based on your listening habits. 4. Swipe horizontally within the Made for You section until you see the 2023 Wrapped card. This card provides an overview of your listening activity throughout the year. 5. Tap on the 2023 Wrapped card to access your personalized listening statistics for the year. 6. Within the 2023 Wrapped section, you'll find various insights into your listening habits. To check how many minutes you've listened to a specific genre, scroll down until you see the Top Genres section. 7. In the Top Genres section, you'll find a list of genres you've listened to the most during the year. Tap on the specific genre you're interested in to view more details. 8. Upon selecting a genre, you'll be able to see the total number of minutes you've spent listening to that genre. This gives you an idea of how much time you've dedicated to enjoying the music within that particular genre.
Exploring your music taste.
Now that you know how to check the number of minutes you've listened to a certain genre, Spotify offers additional features to explore and understand your music taste. 1. Within the 2023 Wrapped section, you'll find more insights about your listening habits, such as your top songs, top artists, and top podcasts of the year. These can help you discover new favorites or rediscover old gems. 2. If you want to dig deeper into your music taste, Spotify also provides personalized playlists based on your listening history. You can find these playlists in the Made for You section on the home screen of the app. 3. Additionally, Spotify offers a Your Library feature where you can organize your saved songs, albums, and playlists. This makes it easier to revisit your favorite tracks and genres whenever you want. And there you have it. You can indeed check how many minutes you've listened to a certain genre on Spotify. By following the steps we discussed, you'll be able to access your listening statistics, explore your music taste, and gain insights into your favorite genres and artists. So, go ahead and take a look at your own listening history on Spotify. It's a fun way to reflect on your music journey and perhaps discover new genres to dive into. Happy listening!